Hello, my name is Irina Serpol. I'm a Romanian-French artisan and I live in the south of France. Until recently, this YouTube channel was all about traditional embroidery patterns from my native country and beyond. For a year and a half, I uploaded 2 videos every week, tutorials and tips to help you create your dream garments. But during that time, my life was quietly transforming. We moved to France and everything began to follow a different pattern. I started baking bread again and fell in love with the French pâtisserie. I began shopping at local markets and cooking simple yet delicious meals. Now I know most of my neighbors by name and we often share des apéros. Here it's absolutely normal to have a glass of rosé at 11 a.m. and to end the day with an apéro dînatoire. Our lives slow down to the rhythm of the village we are living now. We live with less, but we live better. There is something very special about this place. The light, the sea, the nature, the people. There is an art of simplicity in everything. So this channel is changing too. I want it to be the place where I document our life here, my creative projects, and our journey on the French Riviera. Hope to be back soon and explore the still very sunny south of France. À bientôt!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.